If you liked the video, then please consider supporting Warrior Custom Figures on Patreon. Jodie Whittaker is so far the best thing about this whole new series of Doctor Who. And because of that, I decided to buy the 13th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver from Character Options. Overall, it's a pretty good toy, despite the fact there's 2 binds and only one of them does something. However, as a figure customizer, my OCD went off pretty quick. As while the sculpt is really good, the plastic is moulded in a gunmetal grey, so despite the texture and the design, there are various parts of the sculpt that are, while sculpted in, don't show on the toy because it's all moulded in one colour. All the details are just blended in together. So, I decided to fix it. For this video, we're using a technique called dry brushing. I took some black acrylic paint, took some off the brush, and then I lightly painted over the toy. Painting over the raised surface areas, all the cracks on the body, as well as all the textured indentation areas. I gently did this in order to make all the surface areas pop and bring out the details within the sculpt. If it's not come out the way you want it, if it's too light or too faint, don't worry, just keep repeating the process in the same area until you get the result you need. And if you do too much, just wipe it off and start all over again. So with the texture, there's a load of indentations and scratches, so what I'm doing with that is I'm just taking the black paint and lightly painting the inside of it, just enough to bring out the detail, and wiping off the excess. If you look on the prop, there's a black outline around all the light and crack sections on the prop. So what I did, I took some more paint and lightly painted an outline around the lighted areas on the emitter and on the handle. And this brings out the detail and it makes the light stand out more as well. And so this brings us to the end of the video. Please let me know what you thought in the comments, and please do ask if you have any more questions for customizing tips.